I want to do an unboxing of the Scalloped Potatoes and Ham. Menu number 2. This IMP, Canadian IMP. That 20 means 2020. Basically, I'm doing this for a friend of mine, but I will taste this sometime and eat it when Alexis and I can get to it. But let's see what's in here. Got a new phone, but I'm just going to use this old one for right now. Kind of got a little bit of a cold. So anyway, here's the contents. The scalloped potatoes. It's got the new bag. It's a little Ziploc. We have apple and brown sugar crunchy cereal. And that is probably made in Canada. Not as easy to get stuff out of this new one as it is the old one. A hamburger bun. Peanuts, almonds, and yogurt covered cranberries. Some sliced apples. Ice sports drink, 2 of them. Of course, your beverage bag, hot beverage bag. Some peanut butter from Stone Mountain, Georgia. Raspberry jam from Stone Mountain, Georgia. Your napkin and your Canadian spork. 3-in-1 Nescafe. Tic Tacs. Your wet nap or compressed napkins. Matches. Tabasco sauce. Hey, hold on. And scalloped potatoes and ham. And that's it for the contents of this scalloped potatoes and ham IMP. So we will get this, try this here before too long and see what it's like.